Hey friends, if you wish to download all photos from Google Photos to PC, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process and it's not difficult. So go to takeout.google.com. I've shared the link in the description section of the video. Okay. And you will notice one thing that 68 out of 70 options are selected. So basically it will retrieve all of your data and you don't want that. Instead, click on deselect all. Make sure that it says 0 out of 70 selected. Then press Ctrl plus F and type the word photos here and hit enter. Okay. Go to Google Photos, check this box. Scroll down to the absolute bottom. Next step. Okay. Send the download link via email, or you can simply select add to drive, and then you can create an option for drive like a zip file and export it to the drive. Once it is exported to the drive, you can download it. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.